There are times when words fail us and we feel broken, but it's at that time that we have to rise up and speak. Hello, and thank you so very much for joining me today. I didn't upload a video last week because I felt it was so inappropriate and I really didn't have it in my heart to do it. Today I really am in mourning. I am in mourning for my country. I am in mourning for a way of life that used to be, and I am in mourning for all of those who have lost their lives due to radicals in this country who are scaring us, and they are taking away our freedoms to be and to speak truth to who we are and our beliefs. This is not only in the United States, but I know it's happening all over the world. Those who believe that they are free to take a life just because someone has a different viewpoint or a different ideological attitude or belief of someone else or of they themselves. In the last couple of weeks, we have lost a beautiful Ukrainian young woman riding on a transit in Charlotte, North Carolina. We have lost school children praying in a church. We have lost Charlie Kirk, who had a belief in God, his family, and country, and he believed in the debate of opposing ideas in open forums. He believed in the younger generation and how they can carry on the torch of open speech and of open debate and of love for country, family, and God. All of us are right now on the precipice of life-altering changes. At my age, 86, I mourn all the changes in the way of life that used to be. I am old enough to understand what may be happening around the world to our freedoms. This is not about politics. This is about being able to speak and to share ideas and to exchange differences of opinion without violence. Killing someone does not solve the problem. Killing someone is not the answer to snuffing out someone else's opinion that disagrees with you. I never ever thought that I would have to make this video. I never ever thought in my life that I would have to have this conversation. I know there are a lot of YouTubers out there who maybe are afraid to speak up because they'll lose community, they'll lose clicks, they'll lose their careers. But I know that I have a loving community here. I know that we are a community of all faiths, of all nationalities, and of all beliefs. Most religions believe in the sanctity of family. They believe in following rules of thou shalt not kill. They believe in the core ideas of what it is to live in divine or a divine life. None of us is perfect. We have all sinned in one way or another. But we can achieve to love our fellow man, no matter who they are, what color they are, or what beliefs they may have. We are one. We should be united. We should stop the name calling, the labeling of someone that we disagree with. I am heartbroken. I am grieving along with so many of us in this world. And if you are a young person and you feel that you have lost your way, if you feel that you have no sense of purpose or no future, I suggest that you read or watch or listen to some of your elders who know what this country used to be, who know what this world used to be, and who have maybe had members in their family who have laid down their lives to protect our freedoms and what it means to be a God-fearing country. I don't care what religion you are. We all have choices to worship the way we want to. But I believe that all of us have to stop. We have to try to speak up and not be ostriches and hide our heads in the sand anymore. Peacefully, we have to speak up and defend those who have other opinions, defend your religion and your beliefs in a peaceful, non-violent way. Right now, we are at a turning point. We are at a point in our lives, in the world, in civilizations, that we could either spiral down into the deep depths of something really dark, or we have the chance to rise up and be a light in the world and do good for one another in a peaceful manner. I pray for each and every one of you out there who is suffering. I pray for the families of all those who have lost their loved ones. I was witness here to 9/11 when it happened. I saw the World Trade Towers go down. My husband and I lost friends. It was a horrible thing. But September the 10th this year was another spiral down into darkness. It was just one person, but it was the poisoning of his mind and the ideology that we cannot have opposing opinions without killing or stopping the flow of those ideas. Thank you so much for being here today. I know a lot of you may not agree with me, but on one thing I think we can agree is we all have a right to express our opinions without being killed. God bless each and every one of you, and thank you for being the loyal and kind and compassionate community that you are. Please know, wherever you are in the world, you are loved. No matter what your beliefs are, no matter what race or color you are truly loved. Thank you again. And actually, this is the hardest video I ever have had to make. God bless you all, and I hope to see you soon.